In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Payhip easily and efficiently. If you're new to Payhip or just need a little guidance on how to download your digital products, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step so you can access your purchases without any hassle. First, let's start by heading over to your Payhip homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, payhip.com, and then logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where you have access to all the features Payhip offers, and it's the starting point for downloading your products. Next, look for the Products section on your dashboard. You'll typically find this option prominently displayed, making it easy to access your purchased items. Click on Products, and this will take you to a page where all your available digital items are listed. This section is specifically designed to manage and organize your purchases, so you'll be able to see everything you've bought through Payhip here. Now, on the product description page, you should see a download icon next to the item you've purchased. This icon often looks like a downward pointing arrow, signifying the download option. It's specifically there to help you easily access your files. If you're having trouble locating it, make sure to scan the area around your product's title or description, as it's usually placed in a visible spot to avoid confusion. Once you've found the download icon, simply click on it. This action will initiate the download of your digital product to your device. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this process might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you can open and enjoy your product at your leisure. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded your product from Payhip. It's a straightforward process designed to make accessing your digital content as easy as possible. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Payhip's customer support for assistance. They're there to help and ensure you have a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the download process for you. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy downloading!